Okay, now let's navigate inside of this InDesign. You can use multiple things. Maybe you do have different look than what I have. It's because possibly you control the using Windows here, whatever you checked appearing in here, okay? Or you may have this option on the top. You may have different options, and in my case, I use between Essentials and Essential Classic. Sometimes one is easier, sometimes the other one is easier. So maybe if yours look like that, no ribbon on the top, and also a lot of together, it's much smaller than Essential Classic. So if I use my Mac computer, my laptop, because my laptop is small, having all of those things and all of those things making my working place small. So I don't want to use the Essential Classic for working to work in the small computer screen. But if I have like this one is much more better, right? So I have everything smaller, no ribbon, and I still can control things in here so that I have enough space. That's how you can control between Essentials and Essential Classic. So let me go back to the Essential Classic so that I can show a lot of different things in here, and I will switch back to the Essential later on, okay? So as of now, the page that I am in is page number 1. How do I know this is page number 1? It's under Pages. So the one that I clicked in here, clicked in there, what happened? Even though I am here, seems like having one page, even though I moved to the page number 4, which is supposed to show as the double facing each other, but I still seems like having the first page I was in. It's because when I clicked this thumbnail, the computer recognizing I'm still at page number 1. Not this thumb, you always have to look at the number. So the number 1 is still highlighted. That's why I am on page number 1, even though I clicked different thumb. If I want to switch to the page number 6, what I have to do is double click. So see when I double click, that one blue highlight moved away. Now 6 to 7 is highlighted. So now I am on spread 6 and 7. I did explain the spread and the pages kind of things earlier. Forgot about it. The page means that each of those pages, so page number 6, page number 7, when it together, facing pages together, these two together is called as spread, S-P-R-E-A-D, spread. And I do have, sorry about that, I do have in here explain it about page and column gutter, and also together as a spread. So you do have information about this one, okay? Let's go back to here. So you can switch between pages by double click on the thumbnail so that you know that where you are. Or you can even double click on the numbers too. It goes directly to both spread together. Both pages together in one spread as a whole, okay? This is how you can navigate between pages. Okay, next. Let me show you something that I created a long time ago with my students. Okay, this is very confusing thing, right? What happened here? It has that itself is page, that red one, and has a lot going on the top of what I have. What happened is I had multiple things going on in here, and when I go back to here as preview, it cut off everything except anything within the page, right? So that's always you are working on. See this, the gray area? That's the area you will see. So you can zoom in and out, see things differently. You can, I believe you can do from here, page 75 view, maybe making it smaller, 50%, or you can use Control plus or Command if you are a Mac user. Command and plus key on your keyboard, it actually zoom in. Control or Command minus is zoom out. Okay, so when I zoom out all the way out, see, that's the spread that is going to be printed, but also outside the area, right? There's grayish color. So moving up, there's a lot of grayish color. So even page number 1 has a lot of grayish color. This is the area, just like I showed it earlier, that's the area that you will put things that's a working place, but it's not going to be printed. The printing part is going to happen within anything within this page or spread. So for example, like this one, that black color, gray color is where things will be printed, but I put this the humongous, the bluish box there, so that when I make it a preview, it shows all the way out. So you can even use it outside, that outside working place when you work together. Or sometimes I put information that is going to be added later on. I place it outside temporarily. So that's why you can play with it. Okay, so that's how you can navigate within the between different pages, and we'll talk about this above of this line and below this line later.